We'll guide you through how to use Asana tags effectively to organize your tasks. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the specific project where you want to utilize tags. Click on the task you want to tag to open its Details pane on the right. In the Details pane, you'll see options for adding assignees, due dates, and more. Look for the section labeled Tags, which should be below the Projects section. Click on the Tags area, and you can start typing the name of a tag you want to add. If the tag already exists, it will appear in the drop-down menu and you can select it. If it's a new tag, type the full name and hit Enter to create it. You can add multiple tags to a task to categorize it under different criteria. This is especially useful for tracking tasks across different projects or departments. To view tasks by tag, go back to the main dashboard and click on the search bar at the top. Type the name of the tag you're interested in, and Asana will display all tasks associated with that tag. This feature is great for getting a quick overview of related tasks without switching between projects. Remember, tags are a flexible way to add an extra layer of organization and are separate from project-specific categories. You can even use tags to highlight priority levels or thematic groupings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.